We out here on service call today. We come in. We can get a lot of information from the homeowners. A lot of information. They can pretty much almost get you halfway. They'll diagnose the system for you. So I come here, he says that indoor unit is running. It's getting warm inside. He come outside, the outdoor unit isn't running. So we come out. I always like to check correct voltage. And then we go for 24 volts, which was here. And then we go to the capacitor. And it only has measuring no microfarads. And as you can see, it's popped up anywhere on the bottom. So we're going to replace this cap, put a new cap in the circuit, and get it running. We're gonna put this new capacitor in here, and let's see what we get. You have to re-drill the strap that holds the cap. You want that nice and, tight, because you don't want the thing vibrating and falling loose, blowing the system. So you want the cap to be in nice and snug. So we got the cap all nice and snugged up in. Put the disconnect in. And the fan motor needs to be replaced. Let's get that, put a new one in.